Well, hello. As you can see, we're sweating here. It's been a while since we've been out, and we're on the path to the top of Ben Alligin here in Torridon. So, hopefully this will be a good film, and we'll see how it works out from here. So for now, from
I'll get my sunglasses on.
and me, see you later. Take two. So as you can see, we're sweating here. We've not been out for quite some time, just through work commitments and everything. But we're here now in Torridon, and we're doing Ben Alligin today. So hopefully the film will be quite good, and we've got a few more planned for this one. So if you're watching this one, there'll be a few more from Torridon in the next couple of days. So we'll be uploading them shortly as well, if not already uploaded. So we're going to make a couple of films here from this Torridon little mini-series, if you like. So keep your eyes open for those ones. As soon as they're uploaded, have a wee watch of them and see if we can get some inspiration out of those. But today is really warm actually, and the sun's out, beating down, sweating, leaking here.
Not me.
Not her, she's fit as a fiddle. So anyway, we'll see you later on, and it's goodbye from
Me?
And it's goodbye from me. So that's us on the top of Tom na Gruach here. Then we're going to head around the horseshoe over to the Horns of Alligin over there, and then we're going to drop back down towards the car park. Still warm, cracking, lovely. Look at the view.
That was a bit of tough scrambling there, despite being scared of heights as well.
So we just come up the first scramble on Benalligan. Lisa had a little bit of a wobble. We've got the rope out, got a bit of confidence on her, and she's smashed it up there, no problem. Feeling a lot better about herself, that's what it's all about, pushing the boundaries a little bit. It's not, that's just going down. Well done, Mrs. So we've just had a really enjoyable day on Benalligan. That's probably one of my favourite now. We went clockwise today. There's quite a steep finish at the coming off the hill after the Horns of Alligan, but it was really we've had a superb day.